The day since the Challenger tragedy that played out live on national television. Video is still very much ingrained in people's minds who saw that explosion happen 3 decades ago. The Challenger was carrying 7 people when a booster engine failed, causing the spacecraft to break apart just 73 seconds after launch. Today, NASA held a wreath-laying ceremony at Arlington National Cemetery to remember the lives lost. Fox 31 Denver's Erica Gonzalez has more on the mission's legacy.
Mike, it's so hard to believe it's already been 3 decades since the iconic and tragic event, and tonight a look back at those on board. The 7 cheerful adventurers of the Challenger crew prepared for disaster as best as they could, but somehow it always seemed so distant. Their enthusiasm was infectious.
As usual, it's a real pleasure to be at the Cape, to come down here and participate in something that the Cape does better than anybody in the world, and that's launching space vehicles.
Well, I am so excited to be here. I don't think any teacher has ever been more ready to have 2 lessons in my life.
January 28th would be colder, freezing at the launch pad.
Liftoff of the 25th Space Shuttle mission.
Before this day, NASA's spirit could be defined as to boldly go. After this day, it was defined as safety first.
1 minute 15 seconds. Velocity 2,900 feet per second. Altitude 9 nautical miles. Downrange distance 7 nautical miles.
30 years after the Challenger's remains streaked the sky like falling tears after its pieces were recovered. 30 years after blame was generously ladled out, we often still see the Space Shuttle through this lens. 7 brave astronauts are dead, including Ellison Onizuka, a University of Colorado graduate. But fast forward 30 years, and 6 astronauts are in space aboard a space station that can never be reproduced, the true legacy of the Space Shuttle. The Challenger disaster also remembered for Krista McCullough, a teacher who won NASA's Teacher in Space project. She was posthumously awarded a Congressional Space Medal of Honor. Erica Gonzalez, Fox 31 Denver.
Yeah, I remember that. You used to wheel in the TVs when we were kids so you could watch every launch.
I think all of us remember exactly
Which is shocking,
that moment.
right?
Yeah.
Fashion forward